No one loves mud, do they? Well, okay, maybe these two do. Meet our two pigs, Chop Chip and Gingernet. They love mud, but most of us try and avoid it, especially in our watercolour paintings. So if your colours are always ending up looking a bit muddy and dull, and you want to know what to do to keep them vibrant and highly saturated, then this is the video for you. Hello, welcome to Solving Watercolour. My name's Andy. Let's have a quick theory lesson. You can mix any colour from the three primary colours, red, yellow and blue. Mixing two primaries together makes a secondary colour. Mixing a primary with a secondary colour makes a tertiary colour. This gives us the Wheel of Fortune.
And Dawn has decided to play for this complete assortment of kitchen appliances, including this fabulous microwave oven.
Actually, it gives us the colour wheel. You've probably seen it before. Every colour on the colour wheel has a complementary colour. Complementaries are essentially opposites of each other, and when you mix them together, got you. Actually, they just make this dull, muddy brown. Yeah. Not all primary colours are the same. We can have warm primaries and cool primaries. Cadmium red, ultramarine and cadmium yellow are considered to be warm primaries, meaning they all contain at least some red. Cerulean blue, lemon yellow and alizarin crimson are cool primaries, meaning they all contain some blue. If we mix cadmium red with cadmium yellow, we get a highly saturated orange, but if we mix cadmium red with lemon yellow, we get a much duller, less saturated orange. This is because lemon yellow contains a bit of blue, making it lean slightly towards green. Green is the complement of red, and we know what happens when we mix complementaries together. That's right, explosion. No, I mean mud. So to summarise, only mix warm primaries with other warm primaries and cool primaries with other cool primaries. This is what's known as a split primaries palette. So if you're still a bit confused by all of this, check out my website, solvingwatercolor.com, where I've got a blog post all about this subject, together with a practice sheet for you to download. The link is in the description below. And while you're there, why not check out my course, Successful Watercolor Landscapes? It's all about helping you to achieve the kind of watercolor landscapes that you've always wanted to paint. Let's take a look at a time-lapse painting now, where I've tried as much as possible to include strong contrasts in tone and through the use of complementary colours. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll speak to you soon.
Mm-hmm.